Hey, it's Jack. Tuesday. Now, you know I was gone all last week, but Nvidia had its earnings on Wednesday after the close, and I was looking at something really strange. You know, you can look at this thing called the expected move. And what that is what price a stock will be on a certain date. So they're looking at the expected move on Nvidia on its earnings date. And how you can really tell what the expected move is, you take the at the money call option price that ends that week, and you take an at the money put that ends that week at the money that expires that Friday. You add those two together, right? And then you're going to take about 85% of that, and that's going to give you the expected move. Now, with Nvidia, that didn't happen. Nothing happened, right? Right after the earnings came out, the stock moved up and down, but it didn't come anywhere near the expected move. So what does that mean? Well, two things. One, don't count on the expected move happening because it's just not happening. And the other thing to consider is everyone who bought those options lost 100% of their money. Nvidia or any stock right now is going to have to make a bigger move than that projected move in order for that option to even move a little bit. In other words, the expected move is already priced into the option you're going to buy. And if it doesn't happen, that option is going to have time decay happen real fast and take it down to zero. So it makes it almost impossible to make money buying puts or calls at the money because the stock has to make a bigger move than expected, and the expected move is already bigger than what's happening in the real market. Now, here's the bottom line. Selling options, again, I can't say it enough. Selling option is where the money's at, right? Selling calls, selling naked puts, credit spreads, anything like that that's going to bring in the premium. Right now, it's so good. Now, the market hasn't been real great, right? Today's a very soft day. But still, even on stocks we talked about this morning, even on stocks like the Gap, right? Not even tech, Urban Outfitters, stuff like that, premiums are really, I'd say, mispriced. They're way too high. So you can make a lot of money now selling options, and the stock doesn't even have to go up, which is what everybody worries about. So consider it. It's where the money resides. It's what I'm doing.